Welcome to Eduwave. In this video, we will discuss law of logarithms. Also, this is part 2 of logarithm. If you haven't watched the part 1 of the logarithm, go and watch that video. Then this video make more sense to you. Now come to the topic. We will discuss the laws of logarithm one by one. The first law is product rule. It states that logarithm of a product means m into n something of a non-zero base is sum of the logarithm of its factors at the same base. Now check here, given that if log m into n at base is a is given, then it equals to log m plus log n at the same base a. Also, if it is given log m into n into p, then it can be written in the form log m plus log n plus log p. In the similar way, if we write log m into n into p into q, then it can be written like log m plus log n plus log p plus log q. Base will be the same, and it can go like this if we take m into n into p into q into r. Like, take some example. Let log x at base 3 is given is equal to log 4 at base 3 plus log 7 at base 3. Then we have to find the value of x. Then it becomes 4 into 7 at base 3. This side will log x at base 3. We get this from product law. Now removing logarithm from the both side, then x equal to 28. Now come to the second law, or the quotient law. It states that logarithm of a fraction at any non-zero base is equal to the difference between the logarithm of the numerator minus the logarithm of the denominator. It means if log m by n is given, then it can be written in the form log m minus log n. Also, we will take some example of it. Here given that log 1 by 5 at base 5, then it can be written from the quotient law is that log 5 minus log 5 at base 5. Then it becomes 0. Log 1 at any base is equal to 0, and also log of a number, means this part becomes 1. Its answer is -1. Thus log 1 by 5 at base 5 can be written is -1. Now come to the third law, power of law. It states that logarithm of a power of a number at any non-zero base is equal to the logarithm of the number multiplied by the power of the. It says that if log m to the power n is given, then n multiplied by log m, base will be same at both the ends. Now let m root n order, then it can be written in the form m to the power 1 by n. If we take log both the side, then log m to the power 1 by n, then 1 by n multiplied by log m. If nothing base is given, then the base is the same here. Also take some example. We have to find the value of log 1 by 25 at the base 5. Then it can be written like this: log 5 to the power minus 2 5, minus 2 comes here, and log 5 at base 5, it comes from the power law. Now minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. Here we used log of a number if the number is the base. If the same number is it at base, then it equals to 1. We have to do expansive expression with the help of logarithm. Let y equal to x to the power 4 a to the power 4 into b to the power square by c cube. Now taking logarithm both the side, first we will use product law. First we will use the quotient law. Log c cube. Now we will use log product law, log a to the power 4 plus log b square minus log c cube. Now we use power law for log a plus 2 log b minus 2 log b minus 3 log c. Thus log y is equal to, for log a plus 2 log b minus 3 log c, is the logarithm expansion of logarithm expression of y is equal to a to the power 4 into b square by c cube. Now we will deal some question. The first question is log x square minus 21 is equal to 2. We have to find the value of x. 2. Then we will write like this: log 2 into 1, and 1 can be written like this. If nothing is given, then we will take base 10. Now from the power law we know that, and here if base is nothing, then we will take 10 as a base. Now removing logarithm from the both side, we get x square minus 21 is equal to 10 to the power 2, x square minus 121 equal to 0, x minus 11 and x plus 11 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to plus minus 11. Now question number 1 is solved. Now we will check question number 2. Log x minus 2 plus log x plus 2 is equal to log 5. Then it shows, we know from the product law that log x minus 2 x plus 2 is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 2 and equal to log, this shows a minus b and a plus b, log x square minus 2 square log 5. Now removing log from both the side, we get x square minus 4 is equal to 5. Now x square minus 9 is equal to 0, x minus 3 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Value of x is equal to 3 plus and minus. Now come to question number 3. Log 2 to 5 by log 15 is equal to log x. Log 2 to 5 is the square of 15. Then we can write like this. We know from the power law 2 log 15 by log 15 is equal to log x. Now log 15 will cancel out, log x equal to 2, then log x is equal to 2 into 1 and 1 can be written like this, log 10 at base 10, as we know that log a at the same base is a is equal to 1. Therefore log x is equal to log 10 square at base 10. If nothing is given, if the base is not given, then we take 10 as a base. Therefore on removing a log from the both side, we get x as a 100. Now we will solve some more questions. Here we have to show log 2.25 in the term of log 2 and log 3. Now let's solve this question. One number, log 2.25 we have to show in the form of log 2 and log 3. Then it can be written like this, 2 to 5. If we remove point from here, the denominator becomes 100 log this is 15 square and this is 10 square. 15 by 10 whole square to log 15 by 10. 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10. 2 log 3 by 2. Now 2 log 3 minus log 2. As we know that log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. Thus 2 log 3 minus 2 log 2. Log 3 is equal to b and log 2 is equal to a. Then this equals to 2b minus 2a. Now question number 2. Log 25 by 8. We will use the quotient law. Log 25 minus log 8, as we know that log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. Now come here. Log, this is square of 5 and this is cube of 2. Then it comes 2 log 5 minus 3 log 2. We used here log m to the power n is equal to n into log m. Now but here is log 5, we have to make in the form of log 2 or log 3. Now let's change like this. 2 into log 5 into 2 by 2 at base 10. If nothing is, if not base is not given, then we take base 10. Here 3 log 2 at base 10. 2 into log 10 by 2 at base 10 minus 3 log 2 10. Now this can be written like this from the quotient law. Log 10 at base 10 minus log 2 at base 10 minus 3 log 2 at base 10. This become 1 minus log 2 10 minus 3 log 2 at base 10. 2 minus 2 log 2 at base 10 minus 3 log 2 base 10. Then it becomes 2 minus 5 log 2 base 10. Then it can be written like this: 2 minus 5 a. Log 2 at base 10 is equal to a is given in the question. Now we will solve some more questions. Here we have to find 10 to the power 3b minus 2 in terms of a, and here is given like this. Here is given that log a at base 10 is equal to b. First we will write the given part, then it can be written in the exponential form like this: 10 to the power b is equal to a. Now cubing both sides, and also dividing by 100 on the both side. Now we get 10 to the power 3b minus 2 is equal to a cube minus 100. Thus 10 to the power 3b minus 2 is shown in the form of, or in the term of a. This is the first method to solve it. We can also solve this question with another method. Let's do with another method. Let 10 to the power 3b minus 2 is equal to x. Taking logarithm both the side, we get here we have understood that if base is not given, then the 10 base is hidden here. Now from the power law we know that 3b minus 2 log 10 at base 10 and log x at base 10. This part becomes 1, as we know that log of any number at the same base of the same number is equal to 1. 3b minus 2 is equal to log x. Here b is given that, in the question b is given that log a at base 10, 3 log a minus 2 is equal to log x, then log a. We can write 2 like this: log 10 square by 10 is equal to log x at base 10. Here base is 10. This become log a cube at base 10 minus log 10 square at base 10 is equal to log x by at base 10. Here we know from quotient law is that log a cube by 10 square at base 10 is equal to log x at base 10. On removing logarithm from the both side, we get x is equal to a cube minus, we get x is equal to a cube by 100. Thus this is the two method of solving this question. This is the first method, this is the second method. Now come to the last question of this topic. Here given that log 25 at base x minus log 5 at base x is equal to 2 minus log 1 by 125 at base x. We have to find the value of x. Now solve log 25 at base x log 5 at base x is equal to 2 minus log 1 by 125 at base x. Here 25 is square of 5, base is x, log 5x, 2 minus log x base x, and 1 to 5, 5 to the whole cube. We know from the power law 2 comes here, 2 log 5x minus log 5 at base x is equal to 2 minus log 5 to the power minus 3 at base x. Now here it becomes log 5 to the base x, and log 5 it becomes log 5 at base x is equal to 2 minus, and minus 3 will come here, log 5 at base x, log 5 at base x is equal to 2 plus 3 log 5 at base x. This log will come here, then it becomes minus 2 log 5 at base x equal to 2. Here 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, then minus 1 is equal to log 5 at base x. This in exponential form, then it becomes x to the power minus 1 equal to 5, then x equal to 1 by 5. Thus this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you need PDF of this video, join my Telegram channel, name Eduwave 8 to 12th. Also link of the Telegram channel is t.me/IN I capital N small underscore E capital D capital U small W small A V E. Thanks. We'll upload logarithm part 3 soon.